keep doing the hand. Blow the horn. Do the blow the horn thing. Do it. You go. A trio unit.
Put the valve on.
I know. Wait. 1, 2, 4. I know. So what? It's not like it's BNSF power though.
I bet it was.
That would be nice.
That's too quiet.
Yeah, that's because of him starting it off. I gotta make, this is the only way. Camera won't kill him.
Wait, why do you stop because the air brake and plus the track?
The Amtrak doesn't because it's got such an easy load. The Amtrak is a very tough. The P-42 is got a different train. It's not carrying over 50 cars. It's only carrying 6 or 7.
This one's probably over 50.
Well over 50, dude.
Wait a minute. You might have a meet here.
No. What?
I'll hold it on the engine behind it. It's a good spot for valve fanning.
Just wait till we get to the Horseshoe Curve.
Now that gotta be nice. Hey, are you staying here a little bit longer probably?
Probably. We'll stay for an hour or two. Maybe. I'm joking. We'll probably stay a half hour.
Oh, no.
I heard a horn.
Hey, why would the caboose was on a train? I'll be in this.
Certain locals have them. That short little freight that runs through Glassport normally has a caboose in it.
Yeah, that's where though.
That train doesn't run in the morning or day anymore. That runs at night. They switch.
Dude, imagine this. That train's gonna get people's homes.
Smell the smoke? Smell the beat. Oh crap, sorry.
Hey, if this car was on a route, look, this was doing this.
That's on a bad track you would do that.
What track?
Yeah. Manifest Westbound are some of the best trackage in the world. Not world, I take it back. Not the world, but the United States.
No, yes, that's got bad trackage.
Not always. They got pretty good trackage in Port View, and then they got very good trackage as well, but Norfolk Southern is better. No offense to CSX Raw fans out there.
Yeah, no offense, but
Norfolk Southern is better. They're rated number 2, CSX was rated 3.
Who's number 1?
Amtrak.
Amtrak goes on all these routes.
I love those cars. Listen, I love them. Dad? What? Hold on, let me... He stopped, checked his air brakes, and then he throttled up. That sounded nice. We still haven't gotten even one tune from the horn. We'll get it at Horseshoe Curve for sure. I want to see some helpers. Alright, I'm going to end this here if it doesn't. That's something we don't get to see. That's almost 2 miles. That's almost 200 miles from here, reading in Northern. I'm being dead serious. Oh, you're kidding me. Hey.
Oh my god, look at that one.
That's a rougher car. Yeah. Hopefully both of the endings are coming very shortly. Pasco. Reading in Northern. That's ready. That's almost 200 miles from here. I'm helping there some. I think that. There's no helpers on the intermetal. Repeat, no helpers on the intermetal. Taking a while. You happy now, Brandon? You happy now? This is what mainline action's like, Brandon. Whoa, what the heck? That's on. AES, what the heck is that moving? Oh no, my hands are gone. I'm gonna lose my hands. Hold on!
Yeah, that's cool.
Empties. Hey, Julian! Old Southern. I think we should be here.
Sounds like Altoona.
Hopefully there is.
So what? You see Altoona on a Horseshoe?
Come on, you stupid ending. Where are you? God damn it. Skizzy. Hey! GP ST GP 38-3. Oh, come on, no horn action again.
That's not called out.
Good point.